Hi everyone, welcome to a day of innovation and inspiration at TechFusion GCC 2023. I'm Sohail, your guide on this accelerating journey, proudly hosted by FINAP Worldwide Bahrain under our pioneering Gulf Platform Solutions, also known as GPS. Today is not just about connecting, it's about igniting a spark of possibilities and exploring the limitless horizons of technology together. Partnering with giants like Hilal Computers in Bahrain and Hilal CTTC in Saudi Arabia, we are here to catapult your business into a future where digitalization isn't just an option, it's a superpower. Prepare to dive into a session brimming with actionable insights, transformative strategies tailored just for you. To tell you more about the GPS platform, at FinUp Worldwide Bahrain, we are not just creating solutions, we are crafting a revolution with our GPS platform. It's more than just a project, it's a commitment to connect every ambitious mind in Gulf with cutting edge technology. We are talking about innovation that just does not follow trends, they set them. With Hilal Computers, a titan in ICT for nearly 3 decades by our side, we are pushing boundaries further into the realm of software solutions. Get ready to experience digital transformation like never before, affordable, accessible, and astonishingly advanced. Now let's talk transformation. Today, we are showcasing Microsoft Dynamics 360 Business Central, a game changer in business technology. Whether you're running a startup or steering a corporate giant, Dynamics 360 Business Central is your key to unlocking efficiency, engagement, and exponential growth. It's not just a platform, it's a business amplified. So without further ado, let me hand over the stage to our esteemed FinApp consultant who will walk you through the incredible capabilities of Dynamics 360 Business Central. Prepare to be amazed. Over to you.
Hello, good evening, precious attendees here. I'm Hemaka. So I'm going to present you today about a fantastic ERP solution, which is Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, which has the capability of empowering all the businesses and take them to the next level. So let me start my presentation with a slide. Then after the slide, I will go through the system. I will give you a walkthrough of the system as well with the help of one of my colleague. Right. Can you all see this screen?
Yes, it is visible.
Right, great. So just to start with the presentation, so I will start with a common question, a common issue that most of the organizations, especially SMEs and organizations face actually in the present context. Are you outgrowing with your accounting system? That means when you are facing fierce competition and when you are going into the next level of businesses and when you are competing with the competitors and the other dynamic changes in the environment. So then does your technology, the system support your growth? So are you outgrowing with your accounting system? Sometimes some organizations have siloed systems, duplicate data, manual processes, insufficient reporting, and security issues. Like siloed systems means isolated systems where the organizations have information islands. Like they have one system for finance, one system for manufacturing, one system for sales. So they don't have integrated system. So when it comes to reporting, they have different types of reporting and the question is whether those information is accurate and correct. So then the duplicate of data definitely comes with the isolated systems. So the other thing is manual processes, hectic and very time consuming manual processes definitely hinders their potential to growth, and they will only focus on manual processes, not focusing on the innovation and the productivity and insufficient reporting. Because the companies needs to be smart with the reporting. They need to think about few next level of reporting, smarter information. And also when it comes to security, actually when it comes to technology, the security has to be there in the system. So without these five key factors, the companies cannot sustain with the fierce competition. So if you are a company who's experiencing these types of issues, definitely it's time for you to go for the next level of ERP. Uh, So I'm going to present you a fantastic ERP solution, which is called Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, one of the leading ERPs in the world and one of the fastest growing and fastest selling ERP solution in the world, and which is totally catered for the SME sector, and it's very popular in Asia and Europe. So especially it mainly connects your business. I will explain those things in detail and make you very smarter when it comes to decision making. And also it's a beginning of your growth journey. I mean, if you start with operations with this ERP, definitely it will give you a greater potential of growth aspects. So it's a single ERP. It's a comprehensive, fully fledged ERP. Deploy a single comprehensive solution. Like it comes with a full package. Like it has financial management, sales, the supply chain management. That means manufacturing, inventory management, and operations, and also most importantly, reporting and analytics. So I would say this particular ERP, it's mainly focusing on MIS, Management Information Systems, because this only, you can see a lot of ERPs in the world, lot of ERPs, lot of systems, but the speciality of this particular ERP is it gives you more information capabilities, gives you more reporting capabilities, analytical capabilities, where you can take smart decisions. You can take smart decisions compared to your competitors. So you are always ahead with the competition. So if you are always ahead with the competition, means you can grow and you can think differently and you can innovate and you can pick different options to grow your business to a next level. So it connects your business. How it connects your business? You can see it's very, very attractive ERP. You can see the interfaces. So it's Microsoft product. It's Microsoft product. So we all use Microsoft products, like we always use Microsoft Office. So it's totally tailored and designed as per the user-friendly manner, as like the Microsoft Office packages, and you can see it connects your business. How it connects your business? Work where your business takes you. So the thing is, if you are a decision maker, if you are operational manager, if you are a employee or a process champion or normal user, right? You can connect with the system with different devices, or you can work with the system. You can connect with the system anywhere from the world, right? You can work with office, you can work from home, you can go abroad and connect the system, right? You can see your dashboards, you can see your analytics everywhere, right? So wherever you go, systems comes with you. So you have the information, online real-time information. So you can see whether it's a desktop, whether it's a laptop, whether it's a tab, whether it's a mobile, right? The information is there then and there in your fingertips. So and automate and secure business processes. So when it comes to business processes, right, from sales, from the procurement to operations, and operations to warehousing, warehousing to sales, sales to finance. So all these processes can be seamlessly automated through the system. So it minimizes the dependencies of your manual processes. So you can automate your processes, you can automate your report generation processes, where you can easily save your time, save your operational time through the system, and also you can save the time to take smarter decisions. And also the system gives you different types of information through reportings, through analytics. When it comes to, it links with different third party applications like Power BI applications, and also the BI applications, and Power BI, it's Microsoft application. And also in future it will come with the AI platforms. And again, it can be linked with Jet reports, Crystal reports, so many more. All right. So you can, you can have a lot of information inbuilt in the system, where you can take quick decisions related to your business. So make smarter decisions. We can take decisions, right? Normally, we day-to-day operations, we take decisions, but if we are smarter, right? And if our systems and if our technologies are making us smarter, then we always step ahead from the competitors. So as you can see, right, a lot of I have seen a lot of CEOs using this system have dashboards like this, right? A huge LCD screens or dashboards, where they can see the business success, the trend analysis, and the different, you can see charts, pie charts, bar charts, so, and also trend analysis, right? It gives you some fact boxes, widgets. So through all these seamless devices, seamless objects, you can get whatever the information requires from your operation, and you can quickly take whatever the smart decisions in a quicker manner. So and also get an end-to-end view of your business. End-to-end view of business means, it's all about, it's all about your finance, sales, service management, operations. You can see, you can get accurate view of your business, right? And also it be your data is real time. The real time data updates helps you to spot trends, prevent issues, and deliver great customer experiences. So especially for an example, say, you can track your customers, right? And also it gives you KYC, know your customer, right? And also you can see who are the new customers who are coming to the business, and who are leaving your business, right? So if you have operation where you are getting customers, but you are leaking your customers, means that means you are having a basket where you are pouring water, but it's leaking, right? Then you cannot sustain your business, right? So you can see what are the issues related to the customer attrition, right? Then you can see, you can implement the CRM system in this inbuilt system in this ERP, and you can track the customer performances, customer you know information, and also you can track why the customers are leaving. It may be your prices are higher, it may be your deliveries are delays, right? If you it means maybe your goods are delivered in a damaged conditions, right? So many information you can get, the you can track through the system, because it's totally integrated. Your operations are there, automated, so you can get the effective and productive information for your fingertips, and take great actions to retain your esteemed customers, right? So sell smart and improve customer service. That's I have explained previously. So focus on performances using custom dashboards and multidimensional reports. You can see, if you Go to your sales dashboard. You can see, you can track all your customer details, open codes, partial shipments, right? The delayed orders, delayed shipments, returns, credit notes. So you can all this information can be easily tracked through the dashboards. So you can be smarter, and you can be smarter to retain the customers and sell smarter, and guide employees to optimal outcomes, right? You can predict when and what to replenish, and built-in intelligence, sales forecast, and dynamically update inventory levels. I can tell you another example, right? You may be dealing with large quantities of different brands of items, but the thing is, you don't know what item gives you more profitability. Maybe you are selling one item in a larger volumes, but that may not be the profitable item that you are generating in the operation. Actually, there is some other item which has more profit potential, but it has lower sales volume. So then you can leverage on that particular aspect, and you can improve and increase the sales of that particular profitable item. So you can find the information. Through the information, you can come up with decisions. You can come up with some innovative ideas to make the product more popular and more. You can pitch the product to the customers and get the profitability inside the organization. And also you can see, with the proper inventory management, you can track your inventory levels, you can manage your safety stocks, and you can ensure that you are not going out of stocks anytime, right? If you are going out of stocks, right, that means where it will be a huge challenge, and it will be the end of your operations, because if you lose one customer due to non-availability of most precious and most important item, right, he will never come back, because your competitor is waiting to grab that customer, right? So that's why the importance of retaining customer is very important. That's why you need to depend on the system like this. Right. So start and grow easily, because this is a very, very user-friendly system. And you can track, you can, operate with any devices which you are comfortable with. And also you can start with slowly, you can start with few modules. It's a modular based system. And also you can add the other modules and operations, and you can have a complete operation with the complete set of modules. So you can start with slowly and but grow easily. So it tailors to your needs. Like, it has customized applications to support your unique business needs. This particular ERP has a platform or technology where you can customize your operations. The dashboards can be customizable, and also you can have your customized reports. And also there are some processes that you can customize as per your uh, businesses. But the thing is, most importantly, this particular ERP comes with globally acceptable business standards, business operations, where it applies with all the globally accepted operational processes, where you can adapt to those processes. Means you can easily leverage through this system and improve your productivity. And the other important aspect is, you can add industry business extensions, like, you can add different third party applications like POS systems, Salesforce automation systems, and also you can link third party banking systems. You can automate your uh, banking payment processes with external banking applications, and also AI platforms. And also this is seamlessly linked with Power BI platform, business intelligence platform. And also you can link third party business intelligence platforms as well. So it's a very, very capable of system, where you can integrate third party solutions and come up with a very effective, comprehensive solution which gives you more freedom to enjoy unmatched and very the precious information which gives you more empowerment. So be ready for growth. Be ready for growth. Actually, finally, I must say, definitely, this ERP is highly popular in a lot of regions in the world, and has taken the limelight of a lot of CEOs at the moment. And I must say, this is this is actually the fastest selling ERP in Microsoft Dynamics umbrella. So, so it has it surely gives you more leverage on these business activities. So in Sri Lanka also it's very popular, and also a lot of leading companies in Sri Lanka adapted this ERP and getting a lot of advantage through this ERP. So finally, I should showcase the core capabilities of Dynamics 365 BC. There are core modules: financial management, sales and service management, project management, supply chain management, operations management, and reporting analytics. So you can see, I'll give you 1 minute and you can see, you can go through the sub modules of each and every major module, right? For an example, I can say financial management. Under financial management, you can see you account receivables and payables are there, bank reconciliation, fixed assets, and also month and year end closing and reporting are there, right? And so there, likewise, this is a fully fleshed ERP, and you can select whatever the suitable modules for your organization, and you can start the operations with smaller, but you can grow. And the thing is, when you grow, this particular ERP has a growth potential to grow with you, right? For example, uh, currently you have a trading business, right? So you need to have financial management and sales and inventory, right? Then later on you are starting small projects, then you can add project management, right? And also you are starting manufacturing operations, and you can add the manufacturing capabilities to the system, right? And also after that, when it comes to your operations, you need to leverage on your operations through after sales services like servicing. Then there is a service management module where you can add and you can empower your sales service management function through that module. So likewise, the system can grow with you, and system will give you a helping hand for you to grow and also empower you to uh, go to the market with confidence and outperform the competitors. So that is the end of my the presentation. So then I can go to the system, and I can do a walkthrough with the system. So my colleague, Mr. Amila, will help you to walk through the system, and I will explain the functionalities. So as you can see, this is the real Dynamics 365 BC ERP. So we have logged into a fictitious company called Kronos International. So mainly, I would say this ERP comes with a very, very attractive capability and feature called profiles, right? The profiles means, in your organization, there are a lot of profiles, starting with the managing director, then C-suite layer is there, like CFO, CWO, right? And also senior management, head of finance, head of sales, right? So you can see the system comes with profiles. So each and every profile, the system has a predefined profiles where the each and every role has different information requirements. For example, the company's managing director, we call president. So that particular role has different information requirement, like what is my sales for last month, what is for sales for last week, what is my sales for today, yesterday, how my sales are growing, what are my sales trends, and how we manage with our debtors, right? So what are the issues with our sales, or how what is the amount of returns that we are getting, right? Those are the KPIs that particular the key decision makers needs to focus on. And what is my cash flow position, how I manage my debtors. So likewise, the systems that can give you those information through one dashboard. So you can design this dashboard as per that MD's wish, right? So each and every profile can be customizable as per their information requirements. And also you can add charts, graphs, fact boxes, widgets, and then you can, without, going into deeper and without running reports, when you log into the system, you can see the KPIs in your fingertips, and you can quickly take smart decisions to ensure that you are taking right actions in the right time, right? So it's very important. You need to take the right action in the right time, because if you take the right action the wrong time, it is again useless. So that's why a ERP like this would be your one of your closest friend in an organization. It guides you for you all to go for the success. Right, Tamila. We'll go to the other, the financial area. So you can, I'll give you 1 to 2 minutes, and Amila will show you different profiles. And Amila, you can go to sales order processor, and you can showcase that profile as well. Here in this is the sales order processor. I mean, like, we'll go to the dashboard. Right here, now this is sales order processors. For an example, we can interpret this is sales managers dashboard, where you can see, all the sales related KPIs can be seen here. So orders ready to ship, uh, sales orders open sales orders means, they have, sometimes there may be delays, sometimes they are due to our unproductive activities, it's open, and also partially shipped are there, right? Then delayed orders, right? So delayed orders means it's very, very it's challenging for the organization, because if you delay any order means you are delaying cash flow coming into your organization, right? So average days of delays, so it's very important KPI, right? So that means, as a company, it's very unproductive, right? So then the thing is, right, okay, it's alarming, right? 7.5 days average days of delay means, then you can go into grassroots level and see what is the reason behind these delays, right? Maybe the production delays, maybe packaging delays, maybe damaging, maybe, staff are not competent enough to do the shipping, right? So there are numerous reasons for that. So you can go to that level, and you can take corrective measures. So that's why this system is highly effective, and be a good friend of your organization to give you these alarming signs. Right. We'll go to the financial management area. I mean, so hope that you all got a good understanding about the system so far. Right, we'll have a Q&A session as well after we go through this presentation. Then I can give you a lot of insights about system through the questions as well. Right. Let's go to the financial management. You can see, I explained you, financial management is the base of your organization. Like start with your accounts, the chart of accounts, accounts payable, accounts receivable, bank and cash management, forecasting, your budgeting, and also workflow management, and also financial reporting. So let's go to the chart of accounts, Avi. Right. You can see this is the chart of accounts. The chart of accounts is very, very structured in the system. So you can structure your chart of accounts as per the company's accounting standards, as per the company's auditors accounting standards. Right. In this particular company, the chart of accounts been designed. The first half is the income statement accounts, and the second half is the balance sheet. That means statement of financial positions accounts. So we can design your chart of accounts, the customer's chart of accounts as per the industry standards, right? And also this particular system has a very, very attractive capability called the navigation option. Like if you select revenue account 6110, you can see it's sales, retail, domestic, right? If you click that particular account in the balance area, right, you can drill down all the associated ledger entries for that particular account, right? You can see, the invoices, credit memos, everything. So if you select one invoice, right, if you select one invoice, it will take you to the source document. That means your post sales invoice. You can see this is your post sales invoice, right? So you can say from top to bottom, you can drill down and see what is the sale amount, and also you can see the source document, right? And also, if you drill down further, you can see the double entries, the GL entries associated with that particular sales invoice. You can see the GL entries, 5 GL entries being posted to this system, right? That means if it's a invoice, that means your revenue accounts, your VAT accounts, your data accounts being updated, and also your inventory accounts being updated. So all these things can be seen. So if you are an accountant, if you are a decision maker, right, this will be very, very important. And also in the right hand side, you can see the fact boxes where you can take a lot of information, and you can see the figures with the fact boxes. Right, Amila? So let's walk through bit quickly because time is running. So let's go to the budget area and workflow area. Right. So the other fantastic feature that I can showcase you is the budgets. So you can come up with every company has to budget, right? From domestic level to business level, we always work with budgets, right? So you can have your own budgets, GL budgets, the sales budgets, inventory budgets, everything, right? And then you can see the actual transactions. Then you can compare the budgeted values and the actual values, right? Then you can see how your performance business operations been performed as per the budget. So if the figures are alarming, then you can find out what are the issues related to excess expenditure or reduction in revenue figures and all that. So this budget feature is very, very important. And also you can upload your budgets through Excel, and you can download the budget to the Excel as well. There are different options available in that in the system. Right. So let's go to the workflow engine, Amila. So this system has another fantastic feature called workflows. Workflows means you can set up different workflows to approve your invoices, approve your payments, approve your other transactions. You can have different approval levels, two-way authentications. Like if you have huge amounts to POs to raise, right? Then not only your purchasing manager, the director and the CEO has to approve that thing. So you can have different workflows. You can design different workflows, and you can come up with rigorous internal controls, procedures with the workflows. So the system gives you luxury to implement a strong internal controls through workflows. Then you can, the company and the management have the luxury to control any discrepancies or any financial mismanagements from the system. And also, this system has a comprehensive audit trail where you can track all the transactions together, and also you can track all the login details, right? So nobody can, manipulate the details, and also no one can delete the information, the transactions, everything's been recorded. So that's why I have in my life, this is my 15th year of ERP. A lot of people love this system, as well as that much of amount of people hate this system as well, because they cannot play with the system. So that is the credibility which has been you know earned by the system, because this system is, when it comes to security, it's highly secured system, right, Amil? We'll go to sales and purchasing area. Right, as well as I need to tell you, it has a strong capability of reporting when it comes to your financial reporting, when it comes to reporting of your auditing, like means, income statement, statement of financial position, a cash flow statements, and other legal reporting. The system gives you a seamless a capability of report generation through functionality called account schedules, right? You can see it's a sample account income statement, right? As per your auditor's formats, we can design the reporting as per the reporting requirements, right? And also we can come up with the ratio analysis, and the system. The other fantastic feature this particular system has is dimension. For an example, say if an organization has different cost centers, like different key units, branches, right? And also you can track those cost centers in dimensions. You can, and also for an example, you can track your sales in different regions based on your product groups, business groups, right? So the dimension is a area where you can have different option, where you can seamlessly come up with analytical information about your system. For an example, say you have one sales figure for domestic, but you need to categorize the domestic sales into region. So based on the region dimension, if you select the region dimensions, you can segregate, you can categorize your entire sales with the region. And also you can categorize your entire sales with the salesperson, right? And also you can categorize your sales with the seasons, and you can categorize your sales with the campaigns, right? And also you can categorize your expenses based on different cost centers, sales, admin, production. Likewise, these dimensions gives you luxury to analyze your information in a deeper manner. That is another option which comes in the system, right? Let's go to the sales. We'll go to the main. Yeah. Okay. So you can see sales. So you can track your customers, especially KYC, know your customers. Customer, you can see the number of customers, their profitability, and based on different facts, you can see the customer preferences, customer sales trends, everything can be tracked, right? And also you can do your sales, end-to-end sales. That means the system can facilitate you O2C cycle, entire O2C, order to cash cycle. So when it comes to quote, then the order, then the shipment, and the invoice, and the realization of cash. So entire process can be automated through the system. So then you don't need to worry about focusing on manual operations, right? So you can easily leverage on your operation. You can save your time, and also the system has seamless workflow engines to track sales and you manage your sales, and also you can improve your sales and you can understand your profitability in a seamless manner, right? Let's go to the inventory and purchasing, Amil. Right. Purchasing also, you can see the vendor management. You can manage your vendors, the suppliers, right? And also then you can manage the vendors with their spending, their spending patterns actually, and also you can manage your ordering from sales, purchase orders to invoices and also payments, right? Then again, you can there are a lot of options that you can manage your payments, right? You can prioritize your payments also through you can maintain the categorization of suppliers where they are the number one suppliers and the others are number two and then number three, and based on their preferences categorizations you can prioritize the payments, right? And also you can see the payment histories, and also you can manage different payment prices. You can compare the prices offered by different vendors through the system. So there are a lot of capabilities available in the system. Actually, this one now is not enough for me to explain entire capabilities of the system. Normally it takes 3 to 4 hours for a total demo, but this is a kind of a product walkthrough. So I'm taking you all the functionalities at the moment. So with the final uh, module like inventory, I'm wrapping up my presentation and give you the option for you all to ask some questions. So inventory, it's very important. Inventory, if you go to one inventory list, you can see here, and also you can manage your inventory in a seamless manner, but by categorizing your inventory into major categories and then also to the subcategories, and also you can go to the variants. For an example, say if you are doing a cycle business, right? Push bicycle business, right? Say you are selling push bicycles, right? So you have one category of sport bike, right? So that is main category. And then in that particular sport category, you can have, ladies bike and also gents bike, right? That is subcategory. And also in the gents bike, you can have variant like color, yellow, red, blue, white, silver, gold, anything, right? So that is variant. So you can track your SKUs, stock keeping units, items, right? And also you can upload the picture. Then your users can quickly identify the item with the picture, right? Maybe, and you can have different item descriptions. Maybe one item's been defined by you is not the item is being defined by your supplier, right? So you can have different descriptions for the item, right? So, and also you can maintain different locations. You can have a comprehensive warehousing function to manage your inventory and your storage and warehousing. So with this functionalities, actually this is actually a very fantastic ERP which full of functionalities and attractive features. Actually, this one now is not enough for me again. But let's make this session more productive by answering some questions. And now it's time for you to ask some questions, and I'm really happy to help you with the answers. Shehad, is that okay, or shall I continue some more?
No, actually, I feel like with the time frame, it's actually very insightful, and for now, it's fine. So I would like to add, if you have any questions or any, anything that you like to add to the session, we value your feedback. So you can also tune into our next episode of this webinar series happening on the 9th of November, where we will unveil the mysteries of EMA, an enterprise management solution. So we can also arrange a one-to-one conversation if that's what you seek. So just one word and we'll make it happen. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can drop it in the chat so we can have a productive session with being interactive and we can provide you more insights as we have an expert consultant on the webinar at the moment.
Any questions?
Looks like Mr. Hemek has done a wonderful job with presenting, so no one has any questions, it seems. So
Right,
I think we can wrap up the meeting. And as final thoughts, as our chapter today comes to a close, I want to express the heartfelt gratitude for engagement in TechFusion GCC 2023. It has been phenomenal. Thank you, Mr. Hemekar. And remember, this is just a glimpse of what's in store. Next week, we'll invite you to join us for another episode of Breakthrough Innovations, which again, I'll remind you, it's on 9th of November, where we'll unveil the mysteries of Emma, an enterprise meeting management solution. And you're also free to have one-to-one conversation if you seek. Just say one word and we'll make it happen. So you can secure a spot at the next frontier of the text exploration. The link is just one click away. We'll be posting on LinkedIn and on FINAP Worldwide's Facebook page. From all of us at FINAP Worldwide, thank you, and let's continue to shape the future together. Thank you for joining.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you all.